According to psychology, this is the reason your relationship breaks halfway. Change it immediately. When couples live together in harmony, it brings great happiness to them and to the people around them. But separation brings deep pain. These days, many couples decide to separate very quickly. Many couples have broken up for various reasons. Even when everything seemed fine, you may often think about what went wrong in your past relationship that ended. Small things that we did not notice or consider properly in the past may have gradually led to the breakup of the relationship. At that time, we may not have realized what those important reasons were. For better understanding, in this post we will look at the psychological reasons why your relationships did not last. 1. Not asking what you want. Many couples think only about what they want to do. They do not think about what their partner feels or wants. Moreover, they never communicate this with their partner. They fear how their partner might react. This makes them keep everything within themselves. When you expect everything to change, one day all the frustration stored deep inside will come out. Then how will that relationship last? 2. Not being able to say no. We all need to understand how important it is to say no. It is not only important for physical safety but also for your mental health. By always saying yes just to please others, by not doing what you want, and by being unable to say no, you push yourself into a deep pit of frustration and depression. Saying no to unnecessary food, unwanted physical intimacy, or saying no when your partner expects you to overwork is very important. If you cannot say no in a relationship, it is merely a forced bond, and it means the relationship is nearing its end. 3. Not setting and enforcing boundaries. It is very important to set healthy boundaries in a relationship. Not only setting boundaries, but both of you enforcing them is essential, otherwise, they have no meaning. If you set boundaries but do not follow them yourself, you allow your partner to think that your preferences are not serious and that you can be taken lightly. 4. Your world revolves only around your partner. This situation is nothing but insecurity and self-doubt. If you feel good only when your partner is around, their absence will make you feel lost and afraid. This shows that you are in a very unhealthy setup. You are also handing over the remote control of your life to another person, who may even think of controlling or destroying you. In addition to that, you put pressure on the other person and suffocate them. Your emotions are your own responsibility, not your partner's. 5. Questionable emotional maturity. A person's level of maturity plays a major role in sustaining a relationship. No matter how successful a person is, if they are not emotionally mature, their relationship will always remain unhappy.